Hello, childrens. Greetings to you all. Hope you all are fine by God's grace. Today we are going to take mathematics class for 6th standard, term 2, unit 5, information processing, the last chapter, part 1. In this chapter, you are going to see tree diagram for both numerical and algebraic expression. What is meant by numerical expression? That is nothing but numbers with addition, subtraction symbol, numbers with addition symbol, subtraction symbol, multiplication symbol and division symbol. Using that, you have to change and write into a tree diagram method. Second thing is tree diagrams into numerical expression. They will be giving the question as tree diagram and they are asking us to convert it into numerical expression. Then third thing, algebraic expression into tree diagram. That means that algebraic expression means variables will be given, alphabetic, that is nothing but variable, we have learnt already. X or A, without multiplication symbol, they used to say 2A, that means 2 into A. That thing into tree diagram we have to change and write in third thing. Fourth is tree diagrams into algebraic expression. The tree diagram will be given, we have to change and convert and write into as algebraic expression. We will see how to write all these things by seeing the example sums given in the textbook. Textbook page number 77. See here, the first question is given. I'll tell you shortly. Number of tickets sold on the first day, on the second day, third day and fourth day. So this is the given question. So how to form as a tree diagram? See here, a number of tickets sold, total number of tickets sold we need to find out. For that, total means we have to add, right? So plus symbol is in the top and how many tickets sold on the first day is given in one branch. In second branch, second day sold a ticket number of tickets sold on second day. In third branch, it is number of tickets sold on third day. Fourth branch, number of tickets sold on fourth day. Same way you can view the second example. In a 1 year, a paper company had sold these many notebooks out of a stock of these many notebooks. Find the number of notebooks left unsold. They have sold some of the notebooks but unsold is there. So unsold, how to find out? We have to subtract. So subtraction symbol in the tree diagram. So how much is the stock and how much sold? So these are the tree diagram which we are going to use. Same way here, 5 plus third example, 5 plus 9 into 6. So into is the middle thing. So from into two branches, 5 plus 9 is in the left hand side, 6 in the right hand side. So left hand side one branch and 6 in the right hand side. In left hand side we have 5 plus 9. So plus is again one more branch is there, 5 and plus 9. So we'll see how to do the sums through exercise. In exercise we have 4 subdivisions. I told you know, page number 83, numerical to tree diagram, tree diagrams to numerical, algebraic to tree diagrams, tree diagram to algebraic expression. So we'll see all the sums. First sum, I have written the question and kept ready. Numerical into numerical into tree diagram. See the middle one. So this is already in the bracket. So plus is in the middle. So plus I must write in the middle. Then left hand side branch and right hand side branch. In left hand side I have only 8. So I can write 8 as it is. Then in right hand side I have into symbol. So into symbol. Then 6 and 2. So 6 into 2 plus 8. Clear? We'll see one more sum, second sum. Which is middle here? Negative symbol. In left hand side branch is there and right hand side branch is there. Left hand side what is there? 9. In right hand side what is there? 2 into 3. So into should be kept separately and then only we have to split the branch as 2 and 3. That's all. Clear? I hope you all understood. Third question. So see which is middle here in this question. So this is one branch and this is another branch. So negative is the middle one. Then a branch is coming. Here also left hand side we have two things, 3 into 5. So into should come, then 3 and 5 should come. Here division should come, then branches 4 and 2. 4 divided by 2, 3 into 5, in between minus symbol. I hope you all understood. Next, this sum 6 sum I have written. I'll show the 4th and 5th in the next page. Here, see which is middle here. Positive symbol is middle. So, right side one branch and left side one branch. First, we'll see the right side branch. Right side branch we have 8 into 5 minus 3. So, here also two branches. Into is the middle. Then two branches are splitting. So left hand side 8 is there, then here negative symbol, then it's splitting as 5 and 3. Here itself left and right is there. Then we go to the left hand side branch, first branch. Here division symbol is there, then it's splitting into 2. One is 2 and another one is multiplication of 4 into 3. Like this we have to write as a branch. This is called as a tree diagram. Understood, children? Yes. Next, fourth sum, 2 into 4 plus 2. See what is middle here? Bracket is given. So multiplication is the middle one. Left side one branch, right side one branch. We'll finish right side first. Right side we have only division symbol and 8 and 2 got splitted. See from the left hand side we have plus and into. First plus is there, in plus itself right and left is there. Left side 2, sorry right side or plus left side 2, then into symbol, then 2 into 4. Understood? Next, what is middle here? Division is the middle. So two branches. First we'll go with this. Here 2 into, that means into is the first thing, then splitting as 2, then splitting as 10 minus 5. 10 and 5. Clear? Next here same way into is coming. From into two branches are coming. Into 7 and plus 6 into 4. Put the symbol properly, don't get confused. Clear? Yes. Next, second Roman letter. Tree diagrams into numerical expression. Tree diagrams into numerical expression. Yes. See, tree diagram is given. So numerical expression means we saw here, right? This is tree and this is numerical. Like this we have to convert and write by seeing the tree diagram. So 9 into 8 is the answer. 9 into 8. See here, what will be the answer? In middle, minus symbol is there. So next, minus 5 is there. So here 7 plus 6. So how we can write? 7 plus 6 minus 5. Clear? Yes. Third question. Answer. Minus is middle. Then here one thing is 8 plus 2. Here another thing is 6 plus 1. This side the minus is middle. This side we have one thing and the left side one thing. So 10 divided by 2. Here 5 into 6. Yes, clearly this question is given in the textbook ma. I am not writing on your own. Yes, second Roman letter got over. Next, third Roman letter. Algebraic expression is given. We need to change and write into a tree diagram. How to write a tree diagram? We need a symbol, right? Here no symbol is given. So 10V is meant as 10 into V. So how to draw tree diagram? Into should be there and 10 and V is separated. Clear? Next, we'll see 5x plus y. Third sum. Second sum is here. First I'll finish this one. So 5x plus y can be written as 5 into x plus y. So plus is in the middle. Two branches are there. First one is y. Here one more branch is there. 5 and x. Clear? Next. Next. 3a minus b can be written as 3 into a minus b. So minus is the center. Two branches are there. One is b and another one has another branch 3 into a. Clear? Here see 20t means 20 into t again into p. So middle one is into has two things. One is p and again into is coming, again 20 and t should come. Yes, clear? Fifth question. Totally 8 questions are there. We'll do all the 8. So here see, no bracket is given. What is the thing? 2 into a plus b. So what is middle here? Into is middle. Left hand side only 2 is there. Right hand side we have plus a and b. Clear? Next here middle is minus is given. Then two branches are coming. Both are into symbol. Here this side y and z. This side x and y. Yes, understood? Next, two more sums left. 4x plus 5y. 4x can be written as 4 into x plus 5y can be written as 5 into y. So plus is in the middle, plus here two things are getting separated, into and into 4 and x. Here 5 and y. Yes. Next thing, here LM. LM means what? L into m minus n. This is one thing. Then divided p into q plus r. So middle is division. Then splitting up. So here what is that? Minus is the middle for this. Then n is splitting. Then L and m is splitting. Here plus is in the middle this side. One r is there and again into is there. Then p and q coming. P and q. Clear? Yes. Tree diagrams into algebraic expression. So here tree diagram is given. So we have to change and write it into algebraic expression. That means that without any symbol should not be seen. If into means we should not write into symbol. So here see p plus q is the answer. So p plus q cannot be changed. So as it is. Next for this L minus m. For this can you say C? Which is middle here? Minus is middle. So minus C. Here what is there? A into B. So A into B, without seeing, how can we say in algebraic expression? AB minus C. We can write as AB minus C. Next fourth question. Minus is middle. Then two things are there, this side and this side. Here A plus B. Here C plus D. This is the answer. Clear? Next fifth question. Middle plus is there. This side only one thing is there. So 8 divided by A. Here two things are there. What is that? Here in this itself we have middle is plus 3. Here what we have? B divided 4. Understood? Yes. Hope you all understood this fourth sum. Second miscellaneous is there. Exercise 5.2. If you want to have more practice, you can do it in rough book and you can send it to me. I will check it out whether you have written properly, correctly or not. This exercise 5.2, 1, 2, 3 sums. Third 3 sums are there. So you can check it out whether you are able to draw tree diagram. Missing numbers are there, missing operations. You can check and try out. Try whether you are able to get or not. Okay, we have completed our portions by this video. So for your AFLA exam, all the 5 chapters are there. Whatever I taught you, miscellaneous don't touch and challenging problem don't touch. Other than that, all the sums, all the one words Objective types, everything you have to learn. We'll see you in the next video session. Thank you, children.